Hey guys, I welcome you all to my new vlog, and first of all I am going to tell you the time at which I am starting today's vlog. Means just look at the watch. It's some, you can say 1:30 of the afternoon. I am starting today's vlog quite late cause you can say there was a test in my tuition of our humanity subject which was held at 9 a.m. and from 9 to 12 there was a test. 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 3 hours test, and after that 3 hours I had gone to throw away the, you can say, garbage at my home cause the Diwali is near, and at Diwali, as Diwali approaches, we all have to clean our house. You all know that. So I had just you can say came from throwing the came after throwing the garbage at the, you can say, kabadi wala, and after that I am just starting today's vlog. And you can say at this time I am sitting right at my bench, and the room, you can have a look at the room. Means the room is all around, you can say, the clothes were washed in the morning and the room is full with the clothes at this time. And at the near me I have placed my all the books, and in front of my table there is my copy of NDA. And at this time I am doing the probabilities questions of our NDA cause in the last vlog I had done the 4 hours, and today I have to complete at least 2.5 hours of the same video. So you can say at this time I am just going to start my probability, and after the probability I'll be going to learn some word meanings, and after the word meanings I'll be you can say start, I'll be reading my political science course. Our political science chapter I had done you can say 5 to 6 days later, and if I will not revise that I will forget that, it's obvious. So after completing my NV work I'll be, yeah, you can say, practicing my political science book.
3/2, हाँ हाँ हाँ, n इंटू एन माइनस 3/2। 6 साइड हो गई, 6 - 6 3 और 3 9 बनेंगे। हेक्सागोन में 9 बनेंगे। तो हमारे पास टोटल कितने डायगोनल बनने वाले हैं? हमारे पास टोटल 9।
Okay, so here I am assigned a work of removing these numbers from the plate cause our bike has expired. And my father has started for the Diwali Safai. Means the Diwali is only 7 days left. So my father has started to clean the house, and now I am indulging work. Okay, so guys, I am again here on my desk after taking a bath, and at this time I am going to study, you can say, word meaning from our this book. And today we are going to study, you can say, I, G and H. So we are moving forward in this book. Okay, so guys, I am looking forward for you can say studying my third book, means of history, cause I was I am at the second chapter revision. Means of the third chapter, Mahatma Gandhi and the nationalist struggle. I have to complete that. Means I had completed it 3 or 4 days ago, and now I have to take a revision of it. And after that we'll start another chapter, which is the last chapter of this book, means the making of the constitution. So now I am going to you can say study our history's book, the third chapter, Mahatma Gandhi and the nationalist struggle. And just take a look at this chapter, how I have marked every important point and written the important deadlines against the white marks, so that I could remember them while reading the chapter. And also the deadlines are clearly marked in our question bank. Means I will be having no difficulty in learning the deadlines. So the dates in the book are quite important for writing the answers. And also you can see I have marked the important points and how the question answers will be formed. I have marked that also. So while reading the chapter, the important question which I will see in the book, I will mark them also. So I had completed this chapter 2-3 days ago, and now I have to take a you can say revision. So direct questions comes from our history and political, so no worries to scoring them. So let's now revise it. गाइस जस्ट टेक अ लुक एट द वेदर आउटसाइड मीन्स कितनी तगड़ी रेन हो रही है कि भाई अभी, और रेन के बाद तुम्हें पता ही है कितना ठंडा मौसम हो जाएगा दिल्ली का, मतलब कुछ कह नहीं सकते भाई। अब सर्द पड़ने वाली रहेगी, वो भी तगड़ी वाली होगी भाई। मतलब मेरे को तो अभी से ही ठंडी लग रही है ठंडी ठंडी हवा खा के। Okay, so guys, at this time I am sitting in the upper room, and at this time I am completing my last chapter of the third book, means the making of the Indian Constitution, which is the last chapter of our Indian history books. You can say last chapter of our history book. So I have successfully completed the history book right here, means after 1 hour my history book will be completed, and after that I'll be you can say revising the chapters myself. So I have learned the things from giving today's test, that if you have to score more, you have to read by yourself, means the same thing you have to repeat more and more, and it will definitely lead to more marks. So I just want to say that if you want to score more, just read the chapters yourself and repeat the videos from which you study or the tuition classes, means the same person in the tuition classes will not repeat the chapters again and again. But I joined the tuition at this time because it will be great revision work for me, because the same teacher will be making the classes revision, making the chapters revision in the tuition, and after that I'll be revising the chapter from the books, and after that myself 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times, and after that from the mobile again. So it will be great for my memory, and I'll be able to memorize it for lately. Means I only want to say that if you want to score more, just read the book yourself more and more and try to explain it yourself, means the method which I had talked about in the you can say vlog, means the self making of mind map just by reading the chapters and making the short points. So if you want to score more, just follow these tips. I am going to tell you the test score in another vlog, you can say on Monday, because tomorrow is Sunday and tomorrow is the revision day. Means you can say I am going to let's not talk about tomorrow. It is somewhat 10 p.m. of night and of the evening, and I am ending today's vlog right here. Hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you enjoyed it, please kindly do a like and subscribe. Bye bye. Good night. Jai Hind.
Looking back, I'ma keep myself on track, keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along, push myself to be the best, die with no regrets, live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens, life ain't really